Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the batteries and checking contacts. Do this now so you know the power baseline. Once done, test batteries with a multimeter to confirm voltage and make sure the phone app and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi are connected. You should also loosen the cover screws and inspect for broken gears or disconnected ribbon cables. While you have the lock open, photograph internal layout. This helps when reassembling, and make sure you replace parts in the correct orientation. Now you focus on mechanical inspection and repair. Take the deadbolt and manually cycle it to feel resistance. If it binds, realign the strike plate. Loosen screws and shim until the bolt slides smoothly. Examine gears and the motor for stripped teeth or debris. Replace a worn gear or tighten loose set screws. Reattach any ribbon cables and clean electrical contacts. Then lubricate moving parts with silicone spray, not oil, so the motor doesn't grab. Reassemble the lock carefully, matching photos and screw locations, then reinstall batteries and power up. You should test manual turning, keypad entry, and app or voice commands, observing LEDs and any error codes. If the lock still fails, perform a factory reset only after saving settings. Firmware glitches often clear this way. Finally, if signals are weak, swap to fresh batteries or temporarily apply a 5V USB supply to isolate power faults. This single troubleshooting step often reveals whether the issue is electrical or mechanical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.